Right, in this video we're going to find the value of the gradient y is equal to the square root of x minus 2 over x at x is equal to 4. So we've got the square root of x minus 2 over x. So we're going to have to know some of our rules of indices. The square root of a is a to the half, and then 1 over a is equal to a to the minus 1. So rewriting this bit term by term, so this one will become x to the half. Okay, and the second one will become 2x to the minus 1. Now we can do the process of differentiation to find the gradient function. So y is equal to kx to the n. dy by dx, we bring the n down in front, write down kx and reduce the power of x by 1. So we do that now individually to each of these terms. Be careful here because we've got a minus 1. So we've got dy by dx is going to be a half times x to the half minus 1, and then we're going to have a minus sign, and then we're going to do the minus 1. I'm going to put it in brackets, times 2x to the minus 1 minus 1. So we just need to be a little bit careful here. Okay, so we're going to have a half x to the minus a half. Minus minus gives a plus, and then we're going to have 2x to the minus 2. Right, so now we're applying some of these rules now in reverse. So we're going to have 1 over 2 root x. So it's applying that one and that one in reverse. And then we're going to have 2 over x squared. At x is equal to 4, dy by dx will be 1 over 2 times root 4 plus 2 over 4 squared. Root 4 is 2, so we're going to have 1 over 2 times 2 plus 2 over 16. So it's going to give me a quarter plus an eighth, which is 3/8. If we draw the curve of y is equal to the square root of x minus 2 over x, okay, you can actually see that this is actually right, because this here is 1.5 divided by 4, and 1.5 divided by 4 is 3 over 8, or even better, if you look at this one here, this is 8, this is 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8 will give me 3/8. So the gradient of the curve at that point is given by the gradient of the tangent drawn at that point. Okay, so the gradient of the curve of the tangent at x is equal to 4 is 3/8. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the gradient function of a square root combined with a reciprocal function. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.